From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, happy Friday. I'm student meteorologist Brendan Pham here with your Friday morning forecast. Beaver Stadium is currently starting off with mainly clear skies and just a few high clouds eventually. And our temperatures are actually quite cold for this time of year, sitting around 21 degrees. In fact, we got down to 19 degrees last night, and that's a result of the calm wind and clear skies. With the combination of those two, you get really efficient radiational cooling, which allows the radiation from the ground to really escape up into space, and what you get are really cold temperatures. Temperatures across the rest of the Commonwealth pretty similar overall. Bradford's at its coldest spot, 16 degrees, and of course our southeastern zones sitting closer to freezing around 28 and 29 degrees. But again, high pressure system that's been parked over the northeastern United States and parts of southeastern Canada is what allowing us to get those calm winds and cold temperatures. Otherwise, across much of the rest of the nation, except for the southern tier, we're sitting pretty chilly also thus far. Of course, the southern tier is sitting in the mid-60s already here at 7:30 o'clock in the morning. Next 12 hours, we'll be seeing quite some time before the temperatures begin to reach back up into the 40s, but it will feel pretty seasonable as we head into this afternoon, although the clouds will be on the move by later this evening. Current radar and satellite is only showing just a few high clouds streaming into the region that is associated with the system that will be moving in from the west. Otherwise, we're seeing mainly clear skies again across most of the Commonwealth with just a few high clouds and a few snow showers affecting northwestern parts of Pennsylvania. Here we can see the two main systems that will be moving in through this weekend. System 1 will be bringing in the colder air, especially for areas in the interior northeast, which may see upwards of 6 to 12 inches of snow. The second system here in the Gulf of Mexico will be riding up the eastern seaboard and eventually will be providing the moisture needed to provide a lot of that heavy snowfall for the interior northeast. Here will be mostly rain as we head into tomorrow. Futurecast is showing that clouds will be moving in as we head into this evening, and eventually the rain will be moving in with possible snow showers, but again, I don't think that will be happening here in the valley as surface temperatures will be way too warm for any sort of snowfall. Heading into tomorrow morning and into the morning hours, rain will begin to fill in quite nicely here. Temperatures sitting around 39 degrees for tonight actually, and the rain will eventually move out of the region as we head into Saturday afternoon. Some backside snow is possible. I don't think that will be the case. It is pretty hard to pull off, especially for this time of year in March. And eventually, as we head into Saturday night and into early Sunday morning, we're just left with mainly partly cloudy skies and perhaps a couple snow streamers. GFS is showing the possibility of up to almost 3 inches of rain, and this is because of the southern part of the second system in this Gulf of Mexico that's bringing in all of that moisture and is really allowing for that moisture to bring out and produce copious amounts of rainfall. Once the system begins to move out, we will see a ridge that we will begin to build into our region here down the Appalachian Mountains. And in fact, we'll see pretty sunny skies for the next couple of days heading into Monday, where we might see just a few clouds begin to move in associated with our next system. Current forecast today, 48 degrees with, again, morning sun, and those clouds will begin to move in through this afternoon. A light southeast wind bringing those temperatures quite a bit up, but still seasonable for this time of year. And of course, tonight, we will see rain showers begin to move in. Eventually, the rain will become much more steady, potentially heavy in nature as we head into the later hours of tonight. With the light south wind, though, keeping things a little bit quite calm. And of course, tomorrow, the rain will continue heading into tomorrow. Temperatures around 44 degrees instead, and much warmer, although the northwest wind will be bringing in some cold air on the backside, which will allow our temperatures to really drop off by tomorrow night. And of course, your 7-day forecast here looking quite a bit bumpy here as we head into the next work week with several rain chances. But again, look at those temperatures. We'll be seeing much more spring-like temperatures and quite a few more opportunities to get outside and to enjoy the temperatures. I'm student meteorologist Brendan Pham. Have a great Friday.